Good morning! This is episode 123 of ISPP TV News and I'm Miss Kelly. How was your week back from the break? I hope it went fast and smooth. Let's take a look at some of the things that did happen during the week from teachers and students.
Hi, my name is Jackson, and this is Catch a Little Line by Eve Miller. Once upon a time, I caught a little line. I set it on the floor, the line right out the door. Chase it on my bicycle! An icicle. I scooped it up in my hand and turned into a cat. I caught it by the tail, stretched into a whale. I followed it in a boat into a goat. When I fed it some tin and people, it became a tall skyscraper. It turned into a kite and flew far out of sight.
Hi everyone, how are you? In the early years this week, we've had lots of friends test out their culinary skills in the kitchen. Some of our friends have turned into chefs and cooks and learned some very delicious new recipes. Check out what we've all been cooking at home.
We're gonna make some cinnamon rolls.
And today I'm making onigiri. First I put a little bit of salt. Next I put rice. Okay, now I put the top.
So now they've come out of the plastic. And what are you doing now?
Putting seaweed. Onigiri.
Oishi?
So much.
Slow.
You can like for me, I taste a jelly, see? It's yummy. So we put the salt inside the bowl and we put the tomato sauce inside the bowl. Here is some original olive oil and here now we mix the pizza. At the end we put it in the oven and then at the end we need to put the cheese and the olives.
Only at the end, right?
Yeah. Bye.
the center is the leaves, and then I put mountains, then I put flower petals. Then I put trees, then I just put some patterns. Then I put mountains with fruits and some raindrops and triangles with circles in it.
The mysterious guest was Mr. Simon, who was a grade 3 teacher. He was interviewed by Miss Karen.
Hi everyone, and guess who our mystery guest is? Coming all the way after cleaning the bathroom. Who says real men don't do housework? It is Mr. Simon!
Hey!
Where did you come from?
Oh, thank you for inviting me into your classroom.
It's okay, I really miss seeing you at school, Mr. Simon.
Yeah, you can't get away from me.
No. Now, some questions from the children.
Yay!
So the first question comes from grade 1.
Grade 1.
At the moment, learning all about living things. So grade 1 would like to know, if you could be an insect, which insect would you be and why?
I would be a daddy long leg spider, because daddy long leg spiders are really cool and every house has them in New Zealand, and they are supposed to be really dangerous, but they're not harmful to humans because their fangs are too small to break our skins.
Interesting, I didn't know that. I'm going to do
Daddy
some
long
research
legs.
on that. Fancy that. He does have long legs. So, and he is a daddy. So, already a daddy long legs. Okay, question 2. Rumour has it you used to be in the Royal New Zealand Navy.
That is correct.
What skills from being in the Navy are transferable into teaching?
I think communication skills is really important, and working with other people. For example, we'd be on a ship for 3 months away at sea. So right now we're all in lockdown. We're having to stay in our confined little bubbles. So when you're in the Navy and you're travelling around the world, you are in that confined bubble with 200 people on board the ship, and you have to get on with everyone. So,
speaking of which, how did you fit in those bunks?
with a bit of difficulty. Bumped my head a couple of times, but you only bump your head once and then you learn from that mistake, and then you don't do it again.
Really small. The bunk beds, there's that much space.
Oh yeah, but I used to be a little bit more that way when I was younger, so it would fit in easier.
Okay, and I don't have a last question, but
Okay.
Miss Brittany did ask me though. She said, I'm sure that the grade 1s would love to hear Mr. Simon's favourite song, and can you sing it for us?
Oh, there's that butterfly song that the choir do, but I'm going to do that one that you love me doing around the house, and I whistle it all the time. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching, and
it's a wrap.
By Luca. Why did you open this book? I told you not to. Please close it now, or you will see a crazy thing. Okay, this is our last chance. Close the book now. Right now. Gee, it's Harvey the Monster Rabbit. The end. Idyllic activity book. I shower. Morning. I yoga. I do homework. I do exercise with my sibling. Ruat Anika Saks. I clench.
Watching phone and sleep.
Welcome to ISPP Grade 5 Flipgrid Talent Show. To kick things off, I'll play a little song just for you.
Today I'm actually going to sing the song that I sang in ISPP's Got Talent. Gee, it's all the fun that made her have a friend.
I'll be solving the Rubik's Cube as fast as I can, which I think is a talent because many people can't memorize all the steps, and I will start. There you go. The Rubik's Cube is solved.
Cause you found a way to let me down slowly. A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down.
So I'm talented at drawing.
I'm going to sing one of my favorite songs, Count on Me by Bruno Mars. I'm going to be doing a dance to All I Want by Olivia Rodrigo.
I found a guy, told me I was a star. He held the door, held my hand in the dark.
Okay, are you ready to see my talent? This is something that I've probably been able to do since I was your age or maybe younger, and I don't know, I've just always been able to do it. Ta-da!
And play piano, iPad. So today I'm going to dance what I did on Got Talent with Shizuka.
We had only 2 people send in your guesses to last week's riddle. We want to give a big shout out to Helmi in grade 5, who was the first person to send her guesses and get them right. Here was the answer to last week's riddle.
What's invisible and smells like carrots? Bunny farts.
That riddle sure didn't stink. Let's hear this week's riddle and make sure to send your guesses to ISPP TV.
Hi everyone, here is the riddle of the day. Where can you find cities, towns, shops, and streets, but no people?
Thank you for watching ISPP TV News. Be safe, be responsible, and stay classy, ISPP. Bye.